Hello, I'm Gautami. In this video, we'll see how to replace the new line characters in a document. Sometimes, some of the fields in documents from source or target systems may have new line characters or carriage return, due to which it produces multiple lines for a single record. This can be corrected using data process search and replace in order to avoid any issues and load the data correctly from one system to other system. Let's see how we can correct it with a simple example. Okay. For this, I've already created a simple test process. Uh, you could see a start shape with no data, a message shape, and a stop shape. Let's assume the data present in message shape is something that you have received in Boomi from an external application or system. You could say that this document or record is having new line characters, and we want to correct it now. So before doing that, we will test this process and see how the output or how output document or record looks like. Okay, so let's test this process. It seems to be taking time. I'll just cancel my execution and uh, try on another test. Yes, this is done. So you could see the output document now. So you could see I want how to replace the new line characters in a document in a single line, but as there are some spaces or new line characters in between, due to which you could see it in two different lines. So we have to correct this now. For this, I use a data process shape and search and replace. Text to find would be backward slash n. Replace with would be nothing. That's it. Attach it to the data process and then stop share list. Let's arrange this. Now we'll test our process again. This is done. And this is our output now. Now you could see that there are no new line characters in our output payload. So this is how we can replace new line characters in a document. Thank you.